Alright guys, now happy Monday to everybody. Looks like Bitcoin is taking the reins again, which is good because it adds more fuel to the fire for ETH and then for the rotation into alts, which actually hasn't happened yet. And a lot of you guys, you're probably thinking, why hasn't it happened yet? Will it ever happen? And we're going to cover that in today's video, guys. But before we do start, I want to say I've been live streaming the past couple of days. I'm going to try and live stream like every day. So if you guys let me know a good time for you, I'm in UTC. I know some of you US guys need it later. UK guys probably after work. No one wants to watch a live stream in the morning. But I'm going to be streaming every day, guys. Okay, going into the bull run. You guys can come and chat with me. A lot of you guys have been chatting with me. It's been a vibe, to be honest, guys. The only thing is, because I'm chilling with you guys listening to music, after the video then goes live, it gets partially blocked in some regions. So you guys, let me know if you can see this on my channel, first of all. And if not, just like subscribe with post notifications on so that you don't miss a live stream. But there's going to be a lot of opportunities for you guys to come in. And also, I'm going to be doing some giveaways in there as well, guys. So, yeah, make sure you are ready. And just quickly further on from that, I created a Reddit as well. So, if you guys want me to react to some of your posts, right, if there's anything you want me to see, I'll be doing that on the daily streams, any funny videos, anything like that. It's going to be pretty chilled, guys. A little bit different to the videos. A lot of you guys liked it. It felt like more of a community. So, yeah, that's just a quick plug of the live stream. I did post this yesterday night at this morning, should I say, at 2:54 a.m. And I said for Bitcoin, it's make or break time, guys. And surprise, surprise, it actually did break out. We're now retesting the trend line breakout or the channel breakout, guys. And as we said in yesterday's live stream and the live stream the day before that, right, we would be expecting a big level of resistance at around 122k, which we are finding now, guys. So we need to let the day, we need to let the week play out. Now, this is a bit more of a serious one. This is a friendly reminder for all of you guys, because I get a lot of these comments and a lot of ats in on X, or you guys DM me as well. It's just a friendly reminder of this chart that we tracked at the lows. We're officially in the super cycle never down again zone. The bull run continues to expose how many participants are inexperienced, and at the lows it was only bear posts, right? So all of these like fear baiting news events, right? It was bear market, we're going into a bear market here at 80k. At the all-time highs, it's now up only. And this is why probably the majority of the market now is going to lose everything. So that's why I'm trying to do the live streams every day, so that we just have a sentiment set every day. We're not going up until 2026. It should be very clear by now, okay? Not going to happen. And I said, as soon as we break this level here, we tracked this so long ago. We tracked this down here. As soon as we break this level here, everybody's going to be saying super cycle never down again. And you're seeing it with like mainstream media now pushing the super cycle never down again narrative on you guys. So we've got to stick to the plan. So not only is Bitcoin retesting the range high on the smaller time frame, 15-minute chart, we can look at ETH in a minute, it's actually retesting around 4k. Ideally, we'd like to stay above 4k, right? Even if we break 4.1k, not a big deal. And more on from that, I mean, ETH being above 4k is not surprising. Altcoins pumping in the next month, unexplainably high, will also not be surprising. The bear, however, will surprise many. Okay, so for me, anyway, the altcoins pumping in the next month will not be surprising. But for a lot of you guys who look at things like ICP, when we look at the ICP chart in a second, you're going to think, oh my God, is this thing ever going to move? Usually that's what happens before we do get these big moves, guys. And then another thought experiment for all of you guys. I mean, the pump is right in time for BTC. We pump into the rate cuts, all being priced in ahead of time. You guys already know markets love to price things in advance. So maybe we do pump until the 17th of September. We get some news events with the rate cuts. Remember that I said that, guys. Okay, so we can come back on this in this clip. Maybe someone can clip it, right? People will expect that billions are going to flood into the market on the news of a rate cut. But realistically, it's not going to just be on day one. Rate cuts means that we're going to go absolutely parabolic. And then before we get into the charts, I wanted to show you guys this. I mean, you can take this however you want. I took some positives from this, right? Someone said, this is a Friend IRL, by the way, right? Bitcoin 120k, should I pull out for £10 profit? Now, the majority of you guys would look at this and you'd laugh. 262% up, he only put in $10. Who knows how much money everyone has, right? We're not here to judge. For this guy, they may feel like putting anything in crypto, you know, was risky. Obviously, all of us, you know, we've put a lot more money in, so, you know, $10 doesn't seem that much to us. But just the fact that he's actually, even with his $10 profit, thinking about taking profit, right, shouldn't be laughed at, okay? Because if this dude takes profit and everybody else ends up in the red, guess what? This dude who invested $10, God knows how long ago, actually would have made more money than all of you guys who invested thousands who didn't take profit. So that's something to think about. This guy with $10 is probably going to make more profit than a lot of people in this market. Think about that. Now, guys, in the world of Bitcoin dominance, oh my goodness, I really wanted this to break down, right? So we're actually finding new resistance levels. Initially, when we looked at this yesterday, it was only around 63% and then 65%, I think it was. But we had some order blocks for the Bitcoin dominance. Now, it looks like we've got some sellers coming in at 61% and it's 62-ish%, okay? So really, we want to close below this trend line on the daily. Ideally, okay? If we can close below this trend line, maybe this is some sort of fake out. We wick down going into the end of August, then that's going to allow our altcoins, probably ETH, Bitcoin, to pump a bit more, or it probably will be caused by ETH, Bitcoin pumping more. All right, and you see here, you know, we have got a breakout target of around 0.4 for ETH, and I think once we do get to this zone here, so I'm showing you ETH today, guys. I think once we do get to around this zone here, then we can start to see some altcoin rotation. So maybe over the next couple of weeks, maybe over the next week or so, if we can get a few daily candles again pushing us a little bit higher, then maybe we do get some rotation into large caps. And then when it comes to ICP, nothing too much to report on, to be honest, guys. I mean, what have we been doing? All we've been doing is coiling, again, between $4 and $6. Now we actually are finding some resistance on the 4 hour, just shy of $6. Again, worst case scenario, so if we lose these trend lines, then we've got $4.50. I don't think we're going to go that low, to be honest, guys. But if Bitcoin does gain dominance and we have a poopy time, then yeah, we're going to retest these range lows. So right now, what I would say for me, and again, not financial advice, is like anywhere along these trend lines is probably like a very good place where you could either stack up some longs, you could buy some spot ICP, and then wait for the ride, guys, because so far every single time, even if you just bought at these lows, right, you're doing pretty well. Again, we could be coiling, we could come back down to retest the lower area of the range, guys. It's like a 10% dump. At this point in the market, I don't really care. I'm just holding on. So I do think that going into the end of August, we should be expecting a lot of volatility going into early September. But that's just the game plan for ICP right now, guys. So again, super cycle, never down zone. We're in it. 120K today. Are we going to break the all-time high this week? We're going to find out very soon, I do believe. You guys let me know what your plan is for altcoins. Are you selling? Are you ready to sell? Do you think we are going to go up forever and we're not going to get a bear market? You guys can let me know your thoughts in the comments. But as a quick one from me to you, again, subscribe, post notifications on for the live streams. I'm going to go live later on today. We're going to do some giveaways every single day. So that's it. I'm seeing you in the next one. Peace.